Jordan, how old are you?
23.
23? You're 23. You look young. He's only 20.
I saw your girlfriend last night, Jordan.
This one's 30.
Oh, yeah.
30? Yes.
Matanda na pala.
That's 20, 30.
The one last night. Where's Tonton?
No, Jeff's only.
Yeah.
We're already here.
Ay, ay, picturean ko lang natin.
Auntie's really 10:51. That was last night.
Yeah. Sharon's
Vicky,
house.
you and your camera.
Ay,
That's on YouTube, yeah.
yes.
That's on YouTube. Everything that Marvin's 21st birthday is on YouTube. Look it up. Marvin's 21st birthday.
Yeah, you watch it.
You just check it in the YouTube.
But there's no
Ask your
stars.
mama, they can watch
No
it.
ratings.
Ngayon pa lang may girlfriend ka na, isang gabi
Hoy,
ka na.
mabuti yun para mapanood, ha?
Someone's gonna bring a remote control, John.
Tatakpan ng lupa ng...
Jeff, ayaw pa niya.
Just open up, Joe.
Hi. Hello. Ate May's here. Hi. Oh, si Lenny. Hi.
Pangaluto na labi.
Pangaluto na naman labi.
Hoy, bigyan nyo na kami.
Ah, this is Benzer. Hello. Ate Tita Lenny.
That's Dora.
That's Dora.
Dora, yeah.
Nagsiyabo na diwanan ko Dora.
O, di na nang lipstick.
Ano ko lagi lipstick? O sige, naka-ano pa, nakapili.
Bawal na.
Sorry. Ah, si Dora. Tumalok lang, Dora.
Kanino yan?
Show your kids.
Hoy, kanino yan akin? Kanino yan
Wait till
akin?
you see her kids. Hoy!
Ha?
You wait until you see my kids. Ha?
You look like Dora too?
Hoy! 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 Kanino anak to? Kanino anak?
Where's the
Auntie
Greg?
Chick.
Tita
Vicky.
Tita Vicky.
This is Vicky. I
Next
know.
door, next door to Ate Becca.
Oh, yeah?
Ay, di pa niya nakita niya.
Oh my God, yeah.
Ay, ang laki pala ni Ben. Tabalo. Hinuli na ka?
Since 99. 99.
Matagal nga.
Ah,
No,
no.
98. 98. Uncle Bill was
So
with.
you went to your mom's house. Was there the next
You're the next house. Apo ako, yeah. Oh.
kayo?
I chased all the chickens to your house.
Ay!
Wait, what are you doing, huh?
Apo ako, ha?
Yeah.
Ayun, apo
Don't
ako.
touch my chicken. Okay.
Ay!
Okay, Mom.
Have you eaten?
Eh, nagano mo na.
Yeah, we did. We ate already.
Daddy,
I'm like a TV star.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
meron na siyang
Sorry, I put on my Tita Vicky. She's always like
Wala
that.
kang girlfriend before.
No. But I'm selling though. If you guys are selling,
When you get
5,000.
there,
If you want to bring somebody to the
Magsasyamin
States.
ka?
Oh yeah, I'm not,
Hey,
you know. Australia, since it starts with an A and everything, I thought I'd start over here.
Ace, yeah.
That's right, right? Beans in Brazil.
Marami kong kaibigan na aborigin. Ay, aborigin. Ay, you start with A, aborigin.
Aborigine.
A for
Sige,
aborigin.
sige. Kanya anak pa rin. Kanya anak yan. Sabihan mo, apay ka, tutupad ka. Unahan mo sabihan, ha? Apay ka rin anak. Muntala. Ring walilan eh.
Naman din.
Ay, ano umaral ba? Uy, sexy! Sexy mo naman.
Lenny, we told the Tonton, we call you Nog-Nog. Yes, si Tonton, Nog-Nog. Si Jordan daw, they call it Balot. Ay, patayin.
Hoy, tang Benzer.
Oy! Di bale, dark is beautiful. Black is beautiful.
Like Dora.
Yes, like
Dora is dark.
kay nami amo ba kanina po ta makay.
What they say?
Kahit balot okay lang.
Yes, guys. You want to hear a joke? Yeah. Hey, Ben or Washington, come here.
Hoy, Benzer.
Huh? You want a joke? What's the difference between America and Australia?
Eh, pag naman nag-joke yun.
You don't know? In Australia, there is Johnny Cash and Bob Hope. In America, no cash, no hope.
Madalumdum yan. Dito kayo, dito. Dito.
No, I got one for you. Okay.
You got it?
What do you call a boomerang?
That's all.
You like my jokes, huh? You sound funny like jokes.
No,
know that this
Then
when
what do you
on the
call a
way.
boomerang that doesn't come back to you?
Stick.
Yeah.
See, I know. Already because
Told you to find a new
maybe you
joke.
told us.
Yeah, that's nice.
Is that your Australian joke?
Let's go when you go back. In America and Australia. In America, you have Johnny Cash.